Are you working in the playground industry? Maybe you're a designer, maybe you're in maintenance, maybe it's local government. Well, Play Australia has actually got something really special coming up for you. We're all about building communities through play, and our online, self-paced learning modules are going to be exactly what you need. We're also really excited to partner with our friends at Play Aotearoa. As a member of Play Aotearoa, you too can benefit from the experience of our expert presenters and the wonderful learning content that will enhance your practice. So, click below to find out more. See you there.